Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. We have here this 94 Honda Del Sol and somebody damaged the corner of the rear bumper. I can show you detail of it right now. This is where it is. This part is obviously made of plastic. This is not a steel part. So we are hoping that with use of little bit of heat from this heat gun, right, the material should get softer. There is a space from behind because we are replacing muffler right now, so there is an opening and we have a feeling we will be able to push this dent actually out, and that corner of that bumper will be looking good again. So if you want to see what we do, stay with us in this video. So I carefully heated the area from inside, as I said, right? I put it there in a distance, I will say 3 inches. I was holding my hand on the bumper on outside, feeling the temperature, and then I just pushed really lightly with this wood and it immediately popped out. I couldn't even film it for you. Right now you can see it, it's not a perfect shape, but the whole thing, because that heat, it softened so much that it immediately gave, and after using just a little bit of pressure with that stick, it nicely popped out. And probably the best way to continue and get a best out of this job will be keep carefully heating it up using the gun, and if accessible from inside, right, use some correct tools, the body tools, all those spoons or whatever it's called, to nicely form this plastic in as perfect shape as possible.
Just a smidge more at this point, but you couldn't reach it before.
No. Yeah, I cannot get there.
So, but that's what this is. You can see it's in.
So yeah, you can see.
And I think this is back down.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. It went down. We can try to show it to you here from different angles. We also open the door, so there's much light here. I can also close it. That helps the video. But basically what we used the heat gun, right, from behind, and to keep pushing it and form it, we actually used 2 balls, because you cannot use anything sharp. It will probably make the sharp spots, and this is what we were able to achieve. Obviously it's not brand new like this corner, it can't be, but we think it's pretty close. So thank you for staying with us, watching our video. Make sure you are subscribed, because we have way more videos about cars coming your way soon. See ya!